Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm back with another spice mix recipe for you. We are going to make Middle Eastern za'atar. This is really a very flavorful spice mix and tangy. It's used extensively in Mediterranean cuisine. Roasted sesame seeds add an amazing flavor, and one of the key ingredients is sumac, which is made from dried and powdered sour berries, which give the tanginess to this spice mix. Lot of dishes are seasoned with this. You can make kebabs, you can make pilaf, or manakish is made with this. You can also, for a change, flavor your hummus with this. You can make za'atar puffs. So a lot of things can be made. And of course, these days it's readily available in the stores also. But homemade is always fresh, as I always believe in making little quantity at home and using it fresh. Even sumac powder, you can find it in the stores and online also. So get all the ingredients and make your own spice mix. White sesame seeds, 2.5 tablespoons. This is one of the key ingredients after roasting. They are really amazing. The flavors are so good. And second key ingredient is sumac powder, 2 tablespoons. It's tangy in taste and enhances this spice mix. You get it easily in the stores. And next we have taken coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds, half teaspoon. Dried thyme, 2 tablespoons. This is more in quantity. It has amazing flavors too. Dried oregano, 1 tablespoon. Dried marjoram, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon. These two last ingredients are optional. Many people don't add them, but I like adding them because cinnamon has got lovely flavor too. Ingredients list can be seen in the description box. Now let's proceed. First we are going to dry roast the sesame seeds. First heat the pan, bring it to medium flame, and then continuously you stir the sesame seeds. Slow roasting is always better. Roast until you see the color changing and you get a lovely aroma. It's done. Now remove it into a plate. Now roast the coriander and cumin seeds. Freshly made home spices are really good. They give good flavor to the dishes. Now this roasting is done. Now switch off the flame. Let the pan cool a little bit before we add the herbs, because they get burnt very easily. In this little bit of heat, we are going to just roast these oregano, thyme and marjoram. The heat of the pan is sufficient. Stir them together and spread them so that the heat is given uniformly to all the herbs. It's done. Remove this also into a separate plate because we are going to crush them separately. First sesame seeds, as they are thicker, then we are going to mix the other ingredients. Now remove 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and set them aside, because whole sesame seeds also are added to this spice mix. Put them in a pestle and mortar, which is the best way to do. If you are doing it in a grinding jar, you have to do it on pulse mode, but still it becomes really powdery. So I prefer doing it in a pestle and mortar. Crush them well. Friends, if you are visiting for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, click the like button and bell icon, choose the all option so that you don't miss out any notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now this is done, remove it into a plate. Roasted sesame seeds have a wonderful aroma. Remove them in a plate. You can see the texture is coarser. This is how we need. Don't make them into fine powder. Now the herbs, they need little bit of crushing, not too much. These will be crushed very easily because we have give them a little bit of heat, which makes them nice and dry. Now add salt. Actually, adding salt also helps it to grind very easily. Mix it with a spoon and continue to crush. These also we require in a coarser texture, not fine powder. Now add the ginger and cinnamon powders. Ginger is good for digestion also. Mix them nicely with the spoon. Just little bit of crushing. It's nearly done. Now add the sumac powder. Mix it with the spoon. This does not require crushing actually. It's already in a powder form. Now all the ingredients of za'atar are ready. We are going to combine them. Here we have roasted and crushed sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole roasted sesame seeds, and the crushed spices and herbs. Everything has to be mixed. Do this mixing in a wider plate so that it's easily done. What a lovely aroma. I'm loving it. Mix everything together very well and your spice mix is ready. Store it in a dry sterilized jar and use as required. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Do check out these videos from the archives as well and stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye. Take care.